gets you a rein. The first of turn number 1 with his good buddy Stites running second. Savage gets all kinds of sideways, drops back off the lead duo. Kintop trying to go to the inside of Savage. Camaro's running first through 4th, then you have a Nova. I think it's a Chevelle running in 6th. 1 lap down, 19 to go. And problems for Nick Kelly. Thought he was headed back to pit area. Staying on the racetrack right now. Meanwhile, out front, Stites is taking the lead away from his buddy Rain as they pull away from the 3rd place car of Lanny Savage. And Savage having more handling problems. It's going to cost him this time. It's 88. The inland rigging 88. Ethan Kintop takes over 3rd. Chris Carnish from the back in the purple car, now up to 5th. Savage goes around the outside of Kintop on the back straightaway, trying to reclaim 3rd. Meanwhile, out front, Stites starting to pull away from Urain. And Carnish is up to 3rd now from the back in only 3 laps. Fourth spot, it is Savage. 5th spot, it is... That's Pack. 6th spot, it's Kintop. And Carnish spins around. And we go yellow. So Chris Carnish had that great run going. You know what, though? And Stites starting to pull away once again. Peyton Griffin from near the back. She's up to 5th in that white 16 car. One of the championship contenders, Pack, in that high top lime green Nova. Not running up to snuff tonight so far in this main event. Carnish going to the wide line. Still mired at the back now. He gets by Cook. Meanwhile, out front, Stites about a quarter straightaway lead over Urain. Then it's about a 1/3 of a straightaway back to the 3rd place car. That is Savage. Peyton Griffin, so far her best run in her first season racing here. Trouble on the front straightaway. Kelly and Pack get together. It's hard to talk about Peyton Griffin. She's leaning hard on that 4th place car, the 88 of Kintop. Seven in the books, 13 to go. Carnish up to 6th, coming from the back like a runaway freight train. He's way up in the fluff in 3 and 4. Turn number 3. Check out the battle for 3rd. Savage just ahead of Kintop. Now Peyton Griffin around the outside of Kintop. And she has got Chris Carnish right behind her. Next time by starter Steve Russell going to show him cross flags. That tells the drivers they'll be halfway through the race. They'll be 10 down, 10 to go. Carnish goes from 5th to 3rd going into turn 3. And he spins in front of everybody. He keeps on going. We stay green. So Carnish slides back up in the pack once again. He's got to be saying words we can't say with a PA inside that race car right now. Peyton Griffin looked like she got a piece of Carnish. She continued on. Savage continued on. Griffin is now running 4th. Kintop is still 3rd in the number 88. Over a half straightaway lead for David Stites. That's number 42 coming up turn number 4. In 2nd. Nearly a 1/2 track behind him. 3rd is Kintop. contact between the three. That's Kelly and Griffin in turn number 2. And 3, man, he dropped way back off the pace. Look at him now, Nick Kelly. He's charged all the way back up to 5th. Urain has put a lap on Pack. Third spot right now, it's the 84 car. 4th, it's a 3. 5th, the 16. 6th, the 26 Carnish. 7th, it's the 36. 8th spot, it is the 77 Pack. Four to go this time by for David Stites. And around goes Peyton Griffin. Tough break for her. She was having her best race yet. It looks like she has stalled the car down there. And that brings out the first yellow in the main event. Let's go. Stites would be the point leader if he wins this race. Here comes Carnish again. Can he make it through turn 4? He does. He goes to the inside of Kelly. And he takes the 4th spot away. Keep an eye on the 26. Kintop bobbles right in front of Carnish. 17 down this time by 3 laps to go. Once again, Stites is flat pulling away from second place Urain. Carnish up to 4th. Kintop holding him off. Stays like this, Kintop may end up second in points by the time we're done here tonight. Last lap flag about to fly from our starter, Steve Russell. 1 to go for David Stites, looking for his 4th win of the year. Down the back straightaway with nearly a half straight lead. Checker flag's going to come down. He started 4 main events. He's won 6 of them. The victory's going to go to David Stites. 2nd spot is Urain. 3rd will be Kintop. 4th, Carnish. 5th goes to Kelly. 6th to Cook. 7th to Savage. 8th will go to Pack. And getting credit for 9th will be Peyton Griffin.
Damn nice run there, Mr. Stites.
Yeah, thank you. Car was running really good. It had me nervous after last race. We bent to push rod, so it's good to get back out here and talk to you.
Well, it's strong. You say that now. So you led pretty much the whole way. Chris Carnish was running pretty good. He decided to put on a Joey Chitwood spin show, but other than that, it was pretty uneventful.
Yeah, he's pretty good at spinning himself out. So, got to give a shout out to my fiance. It's our 3-year anniversary today. Holland, I love you, baby. Thank you for my sponsor, Larry Well, couldn't be here tonight. He sets up the car for me. All I have to do is get in it and hit the pedal, so it's pretty darn easy. Super Zings, Realty, Hooper's rear end. So just wanted to say thank you all the fans for coming out tonight. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Thanks for putting on a good show and a good run, man. Congratulations again. There's your factory stock winner.